Laboratory washing bottles are squeezable plastic bottles with nozzle, made from low-density plastic, come in various sizes and capacities, to dispense liquids in control stream, by filling with distilled water, or de-ionized water, or other rinsing solvents, to ensure accurate and reliable and consistent results, as mentioned in next slide. So, laboratory washing bottles must be compatible to chemicals, to improve accuracy and time efficiency, to maintain cleanliness and prevent contamination, as mentioned in next slide.